guys, I would like to formally welcome you to my channel, Microlocs and More. It's been a long time coming with me making a YouTube channel. I've been saying for eons that I would love to share various things about health and hair, etc. And I'm just now getting to it. But you know, better late than never. I decided, I guess, too recently, because 2020 has been a monster. And to me, it's been a good time to just sit and reflect on goals and things that you want to achieve and just start. I mean, what else is there to do? No, seriously. What else is there to do? So, a little bit about my microlock journey. I first got my locks established in March of 2019. So we're a little over a year now. With a year and 3-4 months. Let's see. Sorry, I had to count on my fingers. A year and 4 months in. And I'm enjoying the journey. And if they always say the cliche, best hair decision ever. I am loving it. I was looking for something that offered me hair freedom, and I know I still sound so cliche, but that is literally what I wanted, and it has given it to me. I've had my hair natural. Well, I'm natural now, but a loose, having my hair texturized because I wanted a bob and I wanted it to be more sleek. And you know, with natural hair, it tends to react to heat and humidity. So I've big chopped twice actually, and we'll go into more details about my journey in future videos because I have done it all. You want some feedback on
relaxed hair, natural hair, long hair, itty bitty short hair, medium length hair, relaxed short hair. I have done it all, guys.
But I think this is the actual part where I stick with something. If you knew me, my hair's changed so often over the years. Some people didn't believe I could get locks and stick with it. They say you get them and take them out in 3 months. Still got them. So I'm going to be sharing just my journey. I want to share things that I'm learning with you, because I know when I was deciding if I wanted to lock, I looked up so many videos and Instagrams and Google various things to help me decide. So hopefully you'll learn things through me. And if there are things you want to know, please let me know in the comment section and I will discuss them if I have any expertise or knowledge on that area. And if not, I'll try to find the answer for you. Now, again, more specifically, things that I want to share with you are my journey. I'm trying to, if I can not get scissor happy, because I have in the past loved to cut my hair, grow my hair long. I love short hair, but I want to try something different this time. I've grown my hair probably to about, I would say, shoulder blade length, the longest in its relaxed state. But I'm kind of interested in going at least bra strap length with these locks. So you'll be following my journey as far as my length, as well as I'm going to try to experiment with styles. Now, I'm not a style guru, so my style tips will be more basic for the everyday woman who maybe you love to look fly, but you have average skills when it comes to styling, but you want your hair to not look average. So braid outs and various styles, I'll be sharing those with you. In addition, guys, I want to share things that to me are helping with the health of my hair, or if you're having like a bad hair day, things that I have learned to do to help reverse that bad hair day, or how to mask that bad hair day. You don't get them often when being locked, but they do happen sometimes. And for my fine hair ladies, where are y'all at? Woo, woo. You know, sometimes it's kind of hard to find a lot of YouTube videos for those with fine hair. I have very, very soft hair. My beauticians have said soft like cotton. And although I love it because it's what God has blessed me with, it sometimes presents challenges. You know, it feels good, but my God, it can be rebellious. So from my angle, having fine hair, I'll be sharing perspectives on things that I do, from styling to washing to bedtime routines, morning routines, etc. Now, there's another passion of mine, guys, that I hope you'll go on this journey with me with, and that is health. Now, I'm a person that has two sides to me. I love food. I love sweets, but I also love health. Weird, right? Well, I want to teach you all how you can have a healthier lifestyle that does not require complicated recipes. My dad is currently on a low sodium diet, and I have to cook in a way that does not aggravate his dietary restrictions, because it can cause a build of fluid. Excuse me, tongue tied then. In addition, I've always had an interest in health, despite loving food, and I mean loving food. I've also loved health and wellness. So tips on that are easy if you're a busy mom or not a mom. If you have an active lifestyle, because you know maybe you work a lot, maybe you don't like to cook and you need things that are simple. Maybe you want to learn how to cook, but you need things that are more basic and doable and don't overwhelm you. I'll be sharing those types of recipes and or tips. Or I also would like to. I was saying I also would like to show you all. My camera went out. Sorry about that. Products that I use that are so easy to go and buy. They're not in stores that you have to go across the country to locate, and they make your life simpler. You know, like things that are low sodium or low sugar or low salt, but they still taste good. Now, although I like to cook healthier and eat healthier most of the time, I love food, remember? So it's got to taste good. And if it doesn't taste good, I am uninterested. Now, I'm going to also wiggle in there things that are not always so healthy, because you got to live. You've got to live. And I try to have a balanced life. I have foods that aren't so awesome, but I try to have majority of my life be at least decent to healthy for you. So I'm excited, and maybe guys, occasionally, if you don't mind, let me just throw in a little extra something, things that make me happy. I like to do things that are on the creative side, and I would love to bring that to you as well. So again, I hope you follow me on this journey of Microlocs and More, because I have a lot on the inside of me that I would love, absolutely love, to share with you. And if you've not done so, again, please like and subscribe, and we can build our community on hair, health, and happiness. Hold up, don't go just yet. I realized that I did not share with you all my hair. So I went to a lighter area so you can kind of see my hair. I hope I'm in the frame, guys. Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, so some up close. It's way too up close. Let's slide the face over. I'll slide back so you can just kind of see texture. My hair is freshly retightened. Literally just got it done today. And I also just washed it today. I washed it and let it air dry. So yeah, just so you can kind of see my Microlocs. All right, I'm gone for real this time. Bye-bye.
I'd love for you to like and subscribe and join me on my journey.